There is something I want to quickly inform us about. I'm not going to be long in this live broadcast. There is something that really grieved my heart that made me come out this afternoon. As you can just see, I'm in the car wash right now. So it's very painful, the kind of life a lot of people choose to live. Please just do the little sharing you can if you are watching. I want to be showing us something. I want to show us something vividly before I refer us back to what I'm about to talk about. You can see that it's very disgusting that this new generation, I've said it several times with that number, is going to be worse than the generation that is ruling us right now. Why? Because this is a glutomania about what I'm going to eat and forget about whatever anybody feels. That's the major problem we have in our state today. I want to first of all show us a picture for those of us that is watching right now. Maybe later I can share the video. I don't want to spend too much time on this video. I want to give us an insight of what I'm going to be talking about. Look at this very video. This very picture. Oh, I'm not even seeing it clearly. Let me see. It's not that clear. Maybe it is my view here precisely, you know. Because it is sunny here. Maybe it might be clearer like this. I don't know if we are seeing it because I'm not seeing you guys comment. I think I can see it a little bit clearly right now. You can see what a youth went and shared on social media over the recent fire breakout in Uwelu Square Pass Market in Benin City. A guy went and posted this. And I want to read what he wrote here. I want to read it. Let me go back to the page that it was shared because I snapped it. So you can see that for us to have a better society, I think so many good hands need to be on desk. So many good hands need to be on desk. Definitely. If not, it's going to be very, very difficult. Look at what he wrote. He said, I thought they said we don't have fire service mechanism in Edo State. Is this not for fire service equipment? This is what a grown man wrote. A boy who I feel attended university. This fire service van, this during the time of Thompson Oboge or Adolf Hitler. This is what you call, even if you even live where you were parked, this thing has been abandoned for years. This is what a guy could come out with. Now, I don't want to mention, it does not even want me mention his name. To what you put here, if they remove politics or take you out of politics, what other thing can you be able to do with your life? You are a Benin man, whether Benin boy or whatever. I don't want to mention your name, not that I'm afraid of. I've mentioned it already several times. Because you are even the one who will go out there to go and start showing quota. But over the recent disaster right now that is happening, erosion is taking people. Do you think I have any problem with any government? No. I'm supposed to even be the one to be their friend because I have what they need. I can help them even buy house abroad. I'm a civil engineer here abroad. Ime why you know what Tony or when you think you're my brother. Why you dey behave like fool? Why? I don't understand. You went to go and bring a van during the time again Thompson Oboge again Thompson Oboge 1890 something. When I am well ladian to tell us here, we really have it. But is it functioning? Is it functioning? So I go government to work one. This government is for everybody, my brother. I go work back. And minus politics, what other things can you do? If you even talk about the politics, maybe play this or where. You are not even a good politician. Because if voting were sad, you would have come out to say it was a negligence of the side of the government. This thing is there. We would have been able, okay, now the government, look at what we will do. You support every bad thing. And everyone will now be able. Everyone if you weigh. I'm not my brother. You don't know when you are going to pass. You don't know when you are going to be sick. Hospital redo, ukpo fire service ambulance error. Then you could come out with this kind of a picture. My brother, damn it, but you better repent. If all the money you spend in your education on our mirror, then it pays me what damn it. If they really pay me for you, well, make I share this thing to the of my page. So I'm gonna what he said in a video now. That I give me no yet it matter now. Nobody that can speak the truth. Is that what you guys try to say right now? That why want me don't want to debate. Or my compulsory way, society government. At times I love people, even though you are supporting somebody. Me wale lo makiane. Or the way me no magba if time na una magba. Then you went and write it in Facebook. I thought they said we have no fire service mechanism. Is this one on fire equipment? They start disowning there. They start disowning there. Who will get started? When I'm telling you today. You go there again and video this thing. We can not get a winner. Can any fire now break out here? Do uno ya edoyo? Ni mama me social media. My brother agbona even why we waton agbona to le be your own. We muke my brother. Me say I no one wa mo ahen. We can make a car watch in and this is just a car watch. A car watch in Akinania. A international car wash. We are Senate come and watch their car. This is a car wash. Now, we wanna block out there the development again like women. Why are you guys standing as a stumbling block for development not to enter that community? What get development allow, my brother? This is not the best way to play politics. So. And a local politician will do anything. All you just need is just food. Just because of a morsel of food. That was why Esau sold his birthright to Jacob in the book of Genesis 25. I've said this several times. Is all what you start for. No, I'm telling you to do. And I'm where your politics is. Where time boldly social media. What else can you do? Let me you enter feed and go into practical. Let me see what you can do. If you can solve further mathematics, I have younger ones who can even teach you or teach you further mathematics. Ni me why you be me training in school. Enene be ma be hon. Very me be for the grammar we be for the way. Who we combine grammar me be combine argument. Imeri o ma advocacy. Iri e ba as a sort. No make na ya draw attention. When at a state of Ajagaduism here. Where la state in there? Do you know what the meaning of state of resonanza magnetica already shown area? It's a medical thing. You combine it and present it to the people. For how long are you guys going to keep on living all this kind of life in what we're living now? Because okay now, people thought about if I cannot gain, you went and bring this favor out. They too were noble. If you were be the one, how will you feel? How will you feel if you were to be the one? My brother, they don't behave like that. I never had the intention of coming out today. The other day, I drove around to make sure I saw us different our fire services function here. Let's assume most of our ministers, so my travel there, let the government learn from us, my brother. Let Nigerian politics. Let the government hear and learn from us. My brother, the more you do this, the more you fool yourself. You are fooling yourself. You go a college of no education where you where my acquire education robber. A man that has education you speak in an eloquent manner. But Atona is speaking, we're speaking in Atona generate to become something good to help the society is a problem. Must you side the government? The same you carry a mukpo or camera or your video or manner of rules. Nino bona erosion wipe yatin. What baragba where man give life where? We are there with bona. You cannot even force on here Europe because we can make politics play, man. Usu wanam da you let me not use some certain word. We have the same people like you also in Europe. Today, their irrelevance in here. All they do is throw and see here and there. How will you support such a thing? How will you? How will you? What they go down, but I'm going to blog you. A social bully, I will tell you now, school. They can know when I stop. If I don't one. Traveling is a part of education. Majority are so winning. I know how many countries I crossed before I arrived Spain. And I keep record of the kind of life they live. Niger, I power a failure one day. Am I still with Niger there? Am I still with Niger there? What was Nigeria from Mina to Jene to Ogla? Are you any? Morocco can tell you want to talk about who's that, talk about Rabat, talk about Ivu Tanja. They don't see light in those areas. But this is a government for everybody. A government for everybody, no. It's for everybody, not for only you one. How dare you? A disaster no give sunu like o ma give gbo egbe nu we woke na ma. This is a machine ania. Na ya pick kuno we moto. This machine is used to pick. Na ya pick kuno we moto. Government onya individual boy even why because the system is functioning. Me wickedness now. This wickedness to the highest order. Oh my God! So let me show you. I think Warri they have one of the most. I think one of the best producing oil state. Warri or city or whatever. Let me show us another thing here again that happened. I want to show us another one again. Nove Sunu. They worry. That a fire burn people instead of ambulance to come carry them. They use another hand to carry people. Where fire don't burn, their body go to pee them more. That's the system you think is working. It's so worried that is in jail today because of you and I. But a lot of fool, a lot of riffraff will see open their mouth and speak. Because you need money. When you hear me with politics, anywhere we're burning. Be that me waragbo we're burning way. A new a political career where we're burning. You cannot handle any political post with this attitude in women. I know we are trying to change the government when the government get changed. And woman better life. Oku Aribaba now. Where are you visa nowhere now? Even to Algeria, when me visa Algeria now. You cannot even pass interview to visa to Algeria. They might go where go. Why will you go and show that kind of dirty van? Without where those state me na. E no meti gini. I yoni we game. E laba ina temi ni. E a gallery ari mo ni. E ga do fitla ana lo ni. Even I do fit e mo to ni dan do fitla. There's another thing again I want to show us before I cut off this video. New Year the wickedness of some human being. I'll go government I'll tell it several times with that number. Obaseki Oshomole, there are nothing they have done against me. But it's good to speak truth to power, democracy. A government I will know about that. Obaseki, none of the governor is owing my father pension money. Check as at 1960, my father was the richest person in the house my father could even acquire. Go and trace my history in Uroningwe. I know the house is old right now, but as at then, that is to tell you when my mama kept but not poor. I will not rate myself as a poor man. If I call myself a poor man today, I don't know what I'm doing. Because the governor what do go what I'm even enjoying here, they don't enjoy it. How heck you begin to split all manner of nonsense. Where travel you worry? You have don't leave home. Do you know what's called Ajin? Ajin is rule life. If you guys want us to give social media bully to each other, we will give it to each other. And they fear anybody. Look at. Let me show it to us. Let me show it to us of what happened. Let me see if I can first of all get it clear first. Because where I am right now is a little bit oscuro. Todo las cosas aquí, la tiempo aquí está mal porque mucho sol. You know? Too much sun here, you know. So the reflection I get to also be affecting it. Just watch it. These people were burnt. Look at how they are manhandling them, putting them in the back of the van of the police as if they are criminal. This year happened in Warri. Ablas in Maredo Muya. Intensive care should be given to these people right from that moment. Oxygen will be fixed and everything. Then some foods will come out. Just watch out and see the way another woman was being carried. with nakedness. Egbeya boloa. Una see, hein? Una see, hein? Now, a country where somebody is being burnt by fire, he will still be bongo as if he's a criminal. Their criminal now so na take the carrier. Person where fire still burn, now so na still take the carrier. What difference are we making? What difference are we making? Fire break out. I've never seen this thing. Even armed robber, say police even shoot him. Then go carry on like this. Now ambulance, there are special people that carry it. And there are different type of ambulance in Spain. There's one normal ambulance. If you are sick, they will call them. There's one call that is called SAMU. SAMU. It's called SAMU. Those ambulance, they go for special cases. They can even do operation inside the ambulance. Two kind of ambulance here in Spain. One is called SAMU, one is called ordinary ambulance. The SAMU, now they send go accident. If I then I say, okay, that fire don't result to blood, they go just call. Que está pasando aí uno pelea los dos hombres está peleando uno sale sangre ya that's one don't they bleed already. They are not going to send on a blood, they will send SAMU. Why? Because he may need treatment before he get to the main hospital. What are we talking about? Why are we wicked? Why we blast? Why are we wicked? Why we not get human sympathy? Why not put yourself at times into these people's shoe? If I were to be in their shoe, what will I do? That's what matters me most. And they talk my father does not work under the federal government. Government not the own my power money. Why is it that today I'm concerned about even your own father, your uncle? This idiot, your uncle, your family, your friends, they may be passing through this stress. I'm having the arguing where area am where you want to. We are going to where you want to video. The day we fire one bomb, you agree me they put you for a month like that. How can somebody will still be treated as a criminal? If you were to be down there immediately, they go just rub something for your body. Then it will be given an intensive care, even inside the ambulance before you arrive at the hospital. Then here we are. We support everybody. My brother must you support. He go now your boy can say, no, no, your boy we go now all. We were digging food is no longer our problem. Food is no longer our problem. The problem we have right now, how we go to have a good society. That is what we look for right now. My brother, why must you be glutton? Why? What are you going to gain? Putting a whole country to perpetual pains. I don't just understand. I'm not getting it clear. For crying out loud, I'm not getting it clear. I came this afternoon, okay, let me come to car wash and clean up my keke and pen, you know. I was going through Facebook, I saw this thing. My mama bleeded. No, why would somebody write this kind of a thing? Bring this kind of picture out that we have fire service in Benin. It's a very painful thing. Where generation is gone. This generation is gone. Please, if you are a good man, support a good struggle. A generation of what was it? But I am thanking God one side that we have good life for here already. We have future here already, but I feel for you there at home. Why Galilean committee vote? Because God is going to one day punish them for what they are doing. The Bible I have read all throughout my life. I read my own Bible, read the areas where God really sent us a message. What in Philippians chapter 2 verse 5. Or will let this mind be in you that was also in Christ Jesus. I do ask people right now, what mind was in a Christ Jesus? What mind was with Christ Jesus? A compassionate mind does the way I have it. He had to eat, but he want to always give to people that have none. Why are we wicked? We want to wicked here. We want to make her not tosina. We want to make her ni piscina. Where do we get it from? Because of money. Let's take you out of pot. If you take fish out of the water, it can no longer function. It's dead. Let's take these same people out of politics. And honorary now, what can you do? I'm an activist. But there are 6 million things I can do to help people. Practically, you only was set a podium in man. A man was one about it being a bro. Ni ma ni maya ni ma we bo ma viola. I will be very happy. And I will have a mad podium. When I have a podium where I can make a speech. When I have a speech making, I will die. Let them test us from auto domestic work. Let me see what you guys have to give to your community. I'm not coming to politics, but we want to sanitize our politics. Here you are, people are still doing the wrong thing. How the hell will you go and show such an ambulance? For the people that are just tuning in, let me show you what a man went to go and bring out in Benin, or where we have fire service. I couldn't resist it. I would have said, okay, let me finish cleaning my keke and pen first. But I couldn't resist. I had to just do this video. I had to just do it. To the glory of God, to the shame of the devil. No. The people that intend to pretend to come and be a voice, my dear, they are the wrong people. I told you the other time, the Moses we think we have seen, we have not seen Moses. But God has sent up another Joshua. Look at what somebody showed as fire service in Benin. Against started this zone in the 70s, 80s. At the ground where it be parked, 10 years, am I he went to go and fetch it out. We can abandon him because you needed food from the government. You can see where we are. Upon the good life we have here, we are still bothered about you at home. But the people at home who would have even liaised with the government and submit so many puestos to the government. Así no puedo vivir más. La vida está muy complicado. Muy complicado. Si la cosa sigue así, a mí me tiene que abandonar el activismo. Me tiene que abandonarlo y hacer otra cosa. Así no puedo seguir más. Eso es porque cada uno tiene que hablar en su sitio, en su habitación, en su lugar. Tiene que hablar cada uno. Si no, eso no es una guerra para una persona. Eso no es una guerra. Eso no es una pelea para una persona. Es una pelea que todo el mundo hay que hablar ahora. Si no, vamos a tener más sudar. Aparte de 10 años, lo que vamos a pasar en mi país va muy peor que eso. 10 years from now, what you are going to be seeing, my brother, my sister, it's going to be more worse. It pains me. My heart bleeded today. I will never have the intention of coming on show today. But it pains me. Particularly when I saw again somebody that fire burned due to gas explosion. They were carrying them as if they were Omila. They don't carry Boko Haram like that. These are citizens, a good citizens. They have an incident, fire incident. Then it happened to them. Look at the way they were carrying them. Carried in the back of the police van. Then made that open van now. That body way touch that open van, he go Tukuba again. He go see Kamput. Human being. But should that let you know today? Should that let you know today where we are here? I pray. These people, may God give you visa to come and see. Because they say traveling is a part of education. No wonder. A lot of people just pass through the school. They pass through the school. This van you are seeing there right now is at my back. He got drove in. He's a security van. They patrol some certain areas in the night. Anytime they see something that is not fishing very well, they call the police. System are functioning. Later we say Spain don't get money, but they don't get money. What did they do? They do unto people. They do unto people. Lo que puedo hacer, tiene que hacerlo bien. Bien hecho. Bienísimo. Ay. Hoy yo siento mal hoy. Yo siento muy mal hoy. I think it's coming to a place where we get to abandon the struggle. People are not helping issues. People are not helping issues. I was talking to somebody yesterday. How is your state going? He said everything is fine. I say, are you not here about the case? He said, but where I'm from? He said, everywhere good. I cut off that chat immediately. Now I said, I don't want to offend this person. That's Nigeria. If as good as this place, where they say heaven on earth, now Europe now be heaven on earth. What you see here is what you see in America. Let nobody deceive you. It's very painful. My body be like person where they do construction. I do construction 24 hours of the day. 11 hours working. But can anybody that do labor work in Nigeria be fresh as like this? No. Cannot. Please, for those of you out there, don't mind these people. Support good struggle. Look at today right now. So worry have been locked in jail. A lot of people are splitting nonsense all over their mouth. Look at this boy I confirm. I don't want to mention anybody today for this my show because this show is too expensive for me to mention some idiot name. You see youth. That is to say Buhari is even better than some youth today. Buhari better than some youth. We want a better government. Here you are. You are still bringing this kind of archaic government. This government that has not been photosynthesized. This government that is not under a complete metamorphosis. This government who have put us in a state of Ajagaduism. This government who have put us in a chaotic and aquatic state. This government who have put us in a state of Halloween. This government who have put us in a state of everywhere. Slashing win-win. Is what you are showing van. Not even you one. Can't go show all the hospital. The 5-star hospital won't build. Show me. Still bring and come. The other day, I spent my IS money, drove around, almost about 1 hour, drove around, teaching us on discrimination. This is how it functions. Okay, let everybody come out. Every local government should be challenged to build up at least 3 clinics where expensive can be prescribed for people, or alabokun can be prescribed for people. If you want to now do major operation, then you refer them to UBTH if there's any equipment there or specialists. Now they right now in Nigeria, they not they get small children sickness again. If anybody want to sick right now from 1 million, those days they see sickness 500 naira, 1,000 naira. And these are the things government supposed to be helping for. You guys are not seeing anything bad about it. You carry our money and go to Dubai and buy a house. The house my father built 1960, it need reinforcement right now. I heard all Delekwa. So also your house you are building right now is going to get old one day. Nothing lasts forever. If you don't know now, no, nothing lasts forever. Do not put a full community because of your belly. We have a problem. My dear, if you cannot repeat now, your children will repeat. Galatians 6:7. He said, don't be deceived, don't be mocked. Whatsoever. Or man mention one specific thing. Or we whatsoever a man soweth, thou he shall reap. What are you sowing today? What are you giving to the people? Bad governance? Our people have no right to free medical care. Not even faint sick. That our local government chairman or the councillor will distribute. My association right now, we are planning of carrying drugs from here home to help our people at home. Let anybody be see a good thing like that. People are dying because of Jedi. The sickness that is not supposed to kill people are killing people in our country. You don't fucking care. All you care about, you want to ride good car in the detriment of other people. Hell no, it will not happen. It will not happen. Not in my watch as an oracle of God. It will not happen. There are things you acquire by the sweat of the people, by the destiny of the people. God is going to, it's the law of indemnity return. Ekenula like politics in Evanu Hianye, except you are a good man. Eso no puedo say. That's rubbish. I don't compromise. Now me support the joint government because I have plans. Unatis are not female friend with government. Okay, what is it going to profit me if I'm enjoying alone while my people are suffering? It profit me nothing. I want everybody to be carried along, even the less privileged one, so that we have lesser work to do in our society. Who cares about it? Nobody. All they care about it for themselves alone. They themselves alone. Their family is not like that. A good life is not like that. It's not done like that.
Our people here, even your brothers, you get where you go take food for Euro, make for see money sent for you. Ask any of them if you have people abroad. There are some free things the government give. Do you know why people are running to UK today? If UK is not good, will they be running? Why they not they relocate come Spain? The most difficult place to live right now is Spain because what is happening in another country does not happen here. I don't just understand. We are trying to disconnect the mind of our fathers. We are no longer cursing them. Now the bad one with the curse. But here you are. You are bringing this very archaic government to this new generation, my brother. Who wafe? A mama no we mama come. A failure we failure. Who we wafe? SOS metiroso. That one is a laugh on the pit of hell to not happen. We will not give room to this kind of a thing to dominate in our society any longer. We must speak. The word that can happen, una say may not combine. Anyway, we're not bomb we wuna. We are we lagbontina. We lagbontin. If you end up killing any person, the children will not so suffer. But oh well, you will suffer here and suffer in heaven also. Let me check the time I spent. If you say, okay, let me just keep quiet, I don't talk. You don't know when you will start talking to these people. People we are expecting by now, they will start to represent us. Okay, you know. That's 1 minute. Let me just make it 40 minutes, you know. Please share the video, let it go viral. And then just here say, I condemn fire wey happen for Iraq. You go to a van here. I get done if I'm carry away boy Belgium. Only wune that only give a van now. Agent give it all. Where you started in the motor, where you started with more lapo. Can that one see spray water? Only after now. We are in the digital era, analog way, yamula, analog way, analog. I begin it there. During the time of Ogbebo Summit, I begin it there. Negire Nejistan, everywhere you have video. I drove around that day, show us apparatus of fire services. I drove around, but we are here drive around. If we not done the government, in winner, now make an area anyway. There might not say politics in your life where you cannot do any of that. You may deal with it now because a limited liability. You are not responsible. You are not responsible to your family. You are not responsible. So where can't you with me? Man of the politics. If you will talk about the politics, maybe play with so well. A man can play politics and talk any. If I'm campaigning anybody, I campaign what you are capable of doing. The same you are with camera, we are show opponent. The Water Stone project, what's your money? I show now. If we mamu one, I be idiot, you know. Must you talk? I do tell people, you cannot say anything. Reserve your mind. The government, why did they have okay? Fire service later came. I will tell okay. While you people should try and enforce this thing, let there be a control line. In a call line to make sure that they always around. At time fire brigade here a month in America, but they always at work. They always with their phone. Their apparatus is always ready. All their logistics is intact. In case of eventualities. That's why they do what they're doing. In case of eventualities. Makpame Hospital. Makpame Hospital. Okay, now look at the past administration. Hospital Makie. Igo namu 30 billion. Imani sunu ye man already. A better someone wase. Okay, what is functioning in the state? No ye gbe ya mu we no worry abagbon. We no mo picture ni yo. If about fear kun le lo e. Umar we to allow another ori akpa bobo no mama. Must you talk? Unwe citizen we are unwe team we are now play one base here. We can set up competition wa mo bokere. They go with mathematics, go with English, all go with physics by. Oh, wa na the way the exam na the low expo. We here. We okay, we submit the curriculum. Why are you not working in NNPC? Why are you not working in NNPC? If the system is functioning, when we have seven English we flow sending, for example, you are very eloquent in speaking. God bless you. A Benuti, where might our woman? Where do I say the bad government? Who's supposed to even be starting the background? It is we that is in Europe because we needed appointment. Me man can't whether a person married in Emma. Unyeho. They will do a boy to allow an so that this battle, you people to stop this battle we are supporting now. Nonsense. You better go and delete that picture from Facebook. You want to win the social media bully here. On your shop, issue my power door. We're going issue no go here and then. Where my son of Benanedo. In winning Biamuya. Let them take out of politics. Gamu where you wear politics. Man of politics, what can you do? Umawe muno but where my son of mechanic. Where my son of Lebra. Where they see you wear in Megbali and in Nigeria. If you can even do it. If you talk, you die. If you don't talk, you don't die. These are the people I want. Now, I treat a fuck up. Irrelevant people like this in society. Where my son of men when I release so worry. Are you not mad enough to write where release so worry? Data activists are more regulation. Food is ready activist. Usu wana eke. Not button in the book of Genesis chapter 4. You can even kill somebody. Or my can't bat one time. I bat now who working. Because why or me why yoking. That boy today struggle no why you or working. I mean when we you. They're not the same for the one where you did. No sense. I will set up an exam. It is 500,000 why you talk. Or man not pass the exam in or ye. Me set no what me make. Ni me obi metro ni school. Ni me go when base. What my baby do? I want to do a fake grammar no magba. Nonsense. I go on bogbe. Who gun winning? Who me meta uwe? Nonsense. That's how they always do it. I don't like making trouble, but I like this kind of trouble. I want to deal with people like you. Ni me go ne voice where crack is here. Where ke zebo for you to Spanish. Klipoya no mama. E cabron. Simples hacer cosas malas, cosas que no es. Vamos a otro lugar a ver lo que está pasando ahí. Todo el mundo viene aquí a Europa para vivir. Tú estás ahí sufriendo. Si el policía no mata a alguien hoy, los ladrones matan. Then that's the kind of life you want our country to remain like this. Because you're glutton about money. Must you support everything? You better go and delete that fucking for fire service from that place. Oh, that we only already Dubai no wale yo. Now that one they Dubai. That one said, a pass I give me over Dubai. Do my no. People are people are going forward every day. You are there doing nothing. Tell me one particular thing you can do. The man where out there, let me come on ground. The guy no the man where you guy or na ya bunya. Emak be motona. Emak be motona. A car wash him. I'm a car wash right now. Our hospital is even neat like the way the car wash is. Look at the old ground the car wash. You cannot back be motor. You want to remote back be kwama. Are you not seeing the old ground? Hospital where on Moseva now. On Moseva now hospital where. Is easy as beautiful as like this. E marekita wano. Nonsense. Kilipoya no mama. Can you just imagine? They will want to we born as a man. So that government will do compensate you. In the new era right now in politics, what can you do? Don't just be there and become a political cacaworms. A political woman, you know, what can you do? If I'm getting close to the government, I want to do this on my moment, then we find I'm going to do it. My people must be employed. My people must be employed. We have a lot of civil engineers. Obaseki mukpona ni ata. Venari away, let us be paid them for their job. All these local roads, at least have a mean. Dangote can even surpass me, or we can even rag money from social media. I have the 1,000 bags of summit. Okay, Wagaya wukpona na get what our civil engineer can do. How many of you have such an innovative idea? You know what, man? One way missiles meeting me what? Do you think I come to social media to Azure? No, sir. You were big company. We were must it be politics? Politics became a natural resources of Nuwawu. It became a natural resources of what? Nagmawa fine all our politics. Nagmo fine all our politics. I'm urging all our students who read political science. You guys should be in this arena, not all this riffraff who don't know what good governance is all about. You spend all your money in school to go and read. Don't let one riffraff come and take your position. Matthew verse 11 verse 12. He says, since the day of John the Baptist up to now, the kingdom of God suffered violence. He says, only the violent men that take it by force. You have to take it by force. By speaking. Don't keep on giving these kekebu guys feeling that they know it. I'm not the boy when I told an on governor. We're saying on governor. They were qualification of the qualification women. Then the result is well at it. Where you Port Harcourt young women must it be politics. Here you are portraying it. Here do like politics. Go and do all that, my brother. What have you innovated? When we have innovated a lot of things in civil engineering, when we were innovating that, I'm proud of it. Oh man, where in Nigeria, why we begila? We boy am engineer. Official numero uno iki. The government is paying on him or the contract. Women contract here. How dare you talk? Why they talk academics? They we go every phone. They can be now women. Idiot will come out 10 minutes. Idiot. Because maybe I can your man. Nonsense. You know where I come grandma do last social media. Yeah, in that me. If I see you again, I'm going to write your name there. I'll write your name there. I'll give social media bullying. I sign ya mo wegbe ya. Why am we meru wonu? Mero pairu wonu. Nonsense. You want to be living in other people's detriment. Edo my area say Nigeria my area say. Are you not seeing it? Dem your panema one way condemn working nanama. Or are you really happy? Now do viable than that here. Vene do geleye na de to gele mama we de e ba ku word we tenu weta. Ni metie boyo ni wetu lo kanede yori. Nonsense. Do you think it's easy to know Bible and know societies along with it? Yeah, your Bible boy traditional theology. Or that I call young women, I don't give social bully to everybody, but people like you who want to become a storm to our flesh in terms of politics, my brother, or die or enough is enough of this bullshit. Respect yourself once and for all. All your mates are in America, engineers, submarine. If Nigeria were to be good, able to assume where a way perfect education. But now you should be working in one office. The system of it affect to where? Or they affect to where the system? Can you pay 1 million for major operation? Can you spend 1 million naira to operate yourself? But away bomambo. I'm free of charge FOC one. Then what are we talking about? Then if we have nearest in many hour, work our government why we pay 20%, the government will pay the rest. Our year money up to today, I'm having no here. A taxpayer money, I'm having no here. Hospital, 5-star hospital, but administration, I'm having no way. A water stone project, 30 billion, I'm having no way. Yet, who yet Iladian or Diamond one. Imo tune should be 1960 something. A study zoning on those show, nigga, a winner no man, 1960 something. I've heard of what talk to this guy before. I look at it, he did not answer. Everybody all know me very well. I'm a very sincere person. I appreciate two of them. You know where me talking to you guys and you did not reply in the quarrel. That is to say you repented. You went where you want to have time away. But where do I unya? If you want us to give social media bullying to each other, me myself, I'm very ready. They calling me one, but I don't do that. A bullying at the end, a dig where you dig. I have a doctor say make a face a 1960 something. Nonsense. Travel is a part of very man we might travel where education on women go way. So why do I have evidence no man balada? Any person that I see You went to go and be bringing out wrong evidence. My dear, I am going to disgwagwa you. Me guane matani guanyo udo ya mu evident in waiting back up ire. My dear, I'm going to disgwagwa. David new one wa your rebana. Ibe go ebe guan. Boke ogele mu na wage in my office or imani mako. Why wagwale the picture of social media. No wage the grant. 10 years am I a Kimotoni? It's not there, it's not there. It's not functioning, it's not functioning. Why sugarcoating it? Must all of you right now, apart from about 2 comrades or 3, or my deba this government, who wire deba yan. Down a good why mase. Nini moto yan with the no one 2 years I moto veriane. Wema ukpo mi moto ukpo ne mamu motoria. Abi wema e hold up abungbo my go you moto over eating. Akpa bobo no mama we no law mare. Ukmos about where the Spirit of God did not tell me to mention your name. But people will know because Walkba or Zigbibamiana who lady no mama. That's why I know any of una play me mad any day at all. Me mad any of una play at all because ni make na tia go agwana even ori me ko. Okay, do you think our father they are happy over the condition? Most of them they come to Europe abroad for visit. Even have a munyare, even have a rate for visit. Do you think they are not seeing good things work or at we nana ware women? I'm talking right now, I'm talking for our fathers and our forefathers. Even our forefathers in Norway wune. Iya na we live in a better society awa. Women of environment is so emiate living yo. They cannot live peacefully. At time most of them have a few moto. Our forefathers metamu when no talk about it all. So what I'm doing, if you think where you want to start planning evil against new thing, you will use your head to carry it in a hurry. Ana when I do VME yoto we Bible you know how to dry abon no gelegwa lo manedo. Imagine anybody a cave and pack an have bonnie because of you are doing it because of what you need. If I go away I want a better thing for my society. One woman may call my when a true phone. One woman may man when a true phone. Do you know how many people today who are looking for me, who are looking to me as a source of encouragement? Do you know why I upload some work in social media? It's to encourage some people. You can do this thing and still become great in life, irrespective. Because God will bless the work of your hand, not the work of your mouth. What did you have in your hand? Okay, because God used Moses to part the Red Sea, he asked Moses, what is that in your hand? He said the rod. He said, stretch it. And I know when I don't you are politics in your hand. A politician is a man has to work, but because you cannot even be a politician, no man or way. That's why I didn't like politics in the Bible. We're not told you now. You know how you go, so you go down. You cannot even campaign. Man, I have to campaign on because we know the good ones. How can you go and be supporting bad work? Immortal Ege Thompson Obogi. A fire brigade in only run before Vorame was exiled to Calabar in 1897. Oba Vorame Tamawen. There we are so if we move. Egbi moto we your fear. I'm a bimoto in women at them we are more. Let me see whether my time don't complete for 40 minutes. May I watch my keke and pay me I go house. Nonsense. Be doing video having be video where I gonna watch ugly temata. I want to go to because you don't go drink concussion guy. Because convenient you know lie no way me why I mean what I mean when I give me temata man. Because you are not my friend, I don't want to be friends. So I go my job. And one man score. No sense. Hey, don't do 15 minutes. I've gone so far. Please, you are God bless you all. Please share this video. God bless you. I remain your humble brother, your humble friend, your humble son, Comrade Newton Igbeneghu, the Archbishop of activism from Iyekorion. I'm proud of where I come from Oronigbe. So everybody is not the same. Please, we want a better society. For us to have that better society, all hands need to be on desk. Anything we know that are evil, let's stop supporting it. Let's stop supporting anything we know is not going to make our state to go forward. If I see him with any picture again, I'm going to write his name. Then on his sign, and it's going to be war throughout this very year. And remember, I'm the mouthpiece of the Lord, and that bishop with a different, you know. So a Bible in my reserve. Or where can we wear when Imanu soon anyway? I'll go and bring it out. Let me see how you go to break your grammar. Make us a winner, Igboene. Make us a winner, Igboene. But ahora no hay más Miss Killer. Miss Killer ahora no quiero. But wa quiere Miss Killer, then vamos a ver lo que puedo salir. A final de túnel, ahí lu. So greet you all, greetings. God bless you all in Jesus' name, amen.